Hi everyone and welcome to another video by College Dekho. In this video, we will take you through the process of how to download the admit card of CLAT. The CLAT admit card is an important document without which candidates will not be allowed to enter their CLAT exam centers. All those who have successfully submitted their CLAT application forms and paid the application fee will be issued an admit card for writing the exam. The conducting body of CLAT releases the admit cards at least 2 weeks before the exam date. To download the admit card of CLAT, candidates will have to visit the official website of the exam. They can access the admit card by clicking on the link given on the home page. A new page will open in which candidates will be required to log into the student portal by using their username and password. Their CLAT admit card will be displayed on the screen. Candidates must go through the details mentioned in the document and check for any discrepancies. They can download the admit card and take its printout later. The details mentioned in the CLAT admit card of each candidate include the admit card number, candidate's name, date of birth, name of the parent or guardian, address, photograph, and signature. The examination details are also provided, which include the exam name, exam timing, reporting time, and name and address of the exam center. Some instructions that are to be followed on the exam day are also mentioned in the admit card, and candidates must go through them carefully. Spaces for the signatures of the invigilator and the candidate are also provided on the admit card, but they are to be filled when the applicant is present at the test center. It must be noted that the candidate must make the exact same sign which he or she has uploaded on the application form. A medical self-declaration form is also attached to the admit card of CLAT, and candidates have to fill it with the correct information. This medical form is to know the COVID history of the applicant, and it is to be carried to the exam center. In case there is an error or a discrepancy in the CLAT admit card of any candidate, he or she must raise it as soon as possible. They can write an email or call on the helpline number given on the official website to get the issue fixed. The things that candidates are allowed to carry to their CLAT exam center include their CLAT admit card, a valid ID proof which includes their Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport, voter ID card, etc., a pen, a transparent water bottle, and a hand sanitizer bottle. Candidates must ensure that they do not carry any electronic gadgets like mobile phones or tablets, etc. to the exam center. Although there is a provision of keeping these devices at the center, their safety is not guaranteed. If you have any other doubts or queries regarding the admit card of CLAT, send them to us through the Q&A zone. You can also call the toll-free student helpline number of College Dekho 1800-572-9877.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.